And welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's AMPHITHEATRE. By the way, my name is Alfie and I'll be your host for the show. Isn't it? But as any couple success in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, our beautiful pair of Blue and Gold Maka. And today, they will battle it out in who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. For the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. Go Blue, go Blue. Alright, so for the girls, let's cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say, Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Alright, so, are you guys ready? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? There you go. So, first ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's see it for them. Here comes Blue for the first ball. First ball for Blue, first ball for Goldie. Second ball for Blue, and second ball for Goldie. And here comes Blue. Shake it and take it. Blue wins this game. That's alright, Goldie.
Cute.
That's alright. So, Trainer Jen, what happened? You guys lose this game.
Okay, Trainer Adrian, let's do another race.
Trainer Adrian, she wants another race.
Really? Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Uh-oh, that's fine.
Well, this time I guarantee you Goldie will win.
Malaban ha?
So, what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race by the way?
How about a ring race?
Ring race? What's the ring race?
The first person to drop 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is the ring race.
Alright, so our ring race, it shall be. Remember that boys got already 1 point. Let's cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. And we'll be doing this again with a ring race. So, are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, so birds ready? Set, go! Come on, Goldie, catch up for this game. Here comes Blue for the first ring. Come on, Goldie, faster. Second ring for Blue. Come on, Goldie. And hey, what is this? Goldie picks up 3 rings at the same time. How clever was that? And the winner is Goldie. Oh boy, 3 rings at the same time. Trainer Adrian, what can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, did you guys cheat?
Well, we did not cheat. Goldie used her brain.
So is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Of course, let's give it up for Blue and Goldie. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Here comes Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shapes right back to their correct slots. Just like Bandit, green macaws are found in Southern and Central America. They are known as the gentle giants because they're the second largest parrot next to the highest macaw. Come on, Bandit. Let's go, Bandit. Show them what you got. Alright. The scientific name is Arachnoropterus. These birds can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. There you go. This macaw is widespread in the forest and open woodlands of southern and central America. And they typically receives nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. There you go. It sounds just right. How about a round of applause for Green Macaw Bandit? Alright guys, I have here an object which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So guys, where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Again, which side? Left, right, or in the middle? Alright, let's put it right here. There you go. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Once again, Goldie is the blue gold macaw. Now guys, do you believe that Goldie has the ability to find a new object? If it's a yes, let me hear say, you can do it, Goldie!
You can do it, Goldie!
Alright, Goldie, use your psychic power and find the hidden object for us. Where could it be, Goldie? There you go! She found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie! Now, for the next part of the show, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be the luckiest guest for today, adult volunteer po with a 500 peso bill. Just raise your hand and I will choose. Yes, ma'am?
Siya na lang.
Alright. Wearing blue. Alright. Please come here, join us in front and bring your 500 peso bill. There you go. As you will notice, all of the birds in the show are parrots. This is because parrots are highly intelligent, colorful, charismatic, and musically kind. Hello, ma'am. Can I have your name first? Alright, a round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Sam. This one right here. That right here, alright? Just face me. I'll be holding it. Alright, please extend your left arm like this. Like this, straight. Now we can see your money, it's with your fingers. Now ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? No idea? Well, you'll see because here comes our money bird, Blue! By the way guys, the money bird can check if the money is fake or not. Come on Blue, check the money for us please. Blue flies over. Gets the money. Alright, what's next, Blue? Blue flies back, and I guess Blue will donate the money. A round of applause for our Zolo. Alright, man, before you go back to your seat, I have a question for you. Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a wildlife rescue center for the animals?
Yes.
But yeah, that you know all your money will go a long way. We're very grateful for that. Thank you so much, man. And enjoy the rest of the show. Bye, 500. Alright, how about another volunteer with a 1,000 peso bill this time? No more? Donation for the animals, guys. No more? What a good. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay? Are you sure? But your eyes look so sad. No, just kidding. Please come in front, and Blue will give your money back. It's just part of the show. But before Blue will give your money back, Blue wants to have a photo with you. Will that be okay? Alright, please stand right next to Trader Adrian. Alright, give us your best poses smiles together with Blue on Facebook profile. Alright, you're good? Alright then, here's your money bag. Thank you so much, man. Let's give it up for our volunteer.
Bye, 500.
Now at this point, we would like to show you more of Blue's amazing flying ability. Everyone, please remain seated. Ready your cameras because Blue will fly above your heads.
Bird, awa bird
One,
niya.
Blue.
Awa na na, ato siya lupa dito pikas na. Awa na na.
Let's go, Blue.
Hindi siya moto.
Let's go, Blue. So let's watch you go. Let's go, Blue.
Ala, di mo fly si Blue.
Let's cheer for Blue, guys. Go, Blue.
Blue,
Go, Blue.
Go, Blue. Siya mo fly. Siya mo lukon mo balik siya. Ha?
Let's go, Blue.
Nga, okay ra kayang? O ning, imong popcorn para sa mo si Nina. Hindi yan ako kasi
Right, let's try another trainer. Once again, Blue is the blue and gold maha. Blue and gold maha is a beautiful chain of blue with
Ah, di siya ako
belly
Ni
in a
Goldie.
race.
Kuhan man to ni Goldie.
are
Ano sa Goldie?
Blue and gold macaw belongs to the large group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length and can live up to 70 years old.
Di siya mo doon nun. Yes na nun. Nang Goldie man to.
These birds can be found in Bolivia, Peru, Brazil, and Paraguay.
Eh, or bakbak na ni bakbak ni bakbak. Ah, yeah, ba. Laban. Medyo diha.
One, two. Let's go, Blue. Last point. Genetically favored seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. They also love corn. Their scientific name is Ara arauna.
Hindi lagi siya mo doon na ito, babay. Hindi siya mo doon.
One, two. There you go. Magnifico. How about round of applause for Mockingbird Blue?
Ito siya ni Gold, magod na. Parang Gold mo na, di ba? Ano yung nagonit? Amo na siya? Amo na siya tawag Blue. Ah, load bitaw siya so.
Now guys, who here loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, the next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think girls can do math? But before we go in our mathematical resort, I'll be asking two numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? First number, please. First
3.
number. Alright, I hear number 6. Is that right now? guys ready to meet our mathematical wizard? I can hear you. Are you guys ready? Alright, now let's call in Snow. Well, Snow is our Moluccan Kakatsu. Scientific name is Kakatsuwa molossensis. These birds are found in eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the white Kakatsus. So trainer PJ, is he ready? Yes. Snow is ready. Come on, Snow. So big question for us, please. Snow is thinking. Does it matter, Snow? He gets number 5. Is the first number correct? Alright, Snow. How about the second number? Well, Snow really loves numbers.
Right?
He gets number 0, so 6 plus 44 equals 50. Let's give it up for our mathematical wizard, Snow. Now, for the last part of the show, I'll be needing an adult female volunteer this time. Anyone who wants to meet Monty? Just raise your hand and I will choose. No more money involved this time. Adult female volunteer call. Just raise your hand and I will choose. Alright, ma'am, please come here and join us in front. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have a variety of animals. To give them the best care we can provide and the foods they eat are guaranteed fresh and healthy for them. Hello, ma'am, I'm Hapon. And ma'am, can I have your name? Alright, round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Red. Ma'am, please come here. Stand right here, ma'am, please. Alright, ma'am, you are about to meet Monty. Do you have any idea what animal Monty is? Well, nice guess. Do you guys know what Monty is? Alright, the next animal we'll present is our cutest, fluffiest, and most gorgeous animal here in Cebu Ocean Park. Ready to meet him? Alright, are you guys ready to meet Monty? Alright, now let's call in Monty. Python, Monty! Monty wants to have a photo with you, man. Look at that, hey! What a turn out. Maybe in the jungles of Southeast Asia, flying birds are among the largest species on Earth. They can grow up to 21 feet in length and can weigh up to 200 pounds, or about 100 kilos. The scientific name is Python Malodus vivisatus. Alright everyone, that's the end of our show. Goodbye, man! Alright, man. Is it your first time holding a snake that big?
No.
How was it? Man, thank you so much. Give it up for our very brave Monty. And once again, our albino Burmese Python, Monty.
Unsa ka mo na siya dito tumaw ni dagan puro pa patong gawas. Nagdagan ka gawas na fluffy pa kayo.
Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We don't just try to take care of our sea fest, but also the land and air as well. Now guys, who knows what they are for the proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now let's call in our lovely birds once again, and they're going to show us the proper waste disposal by following the 3 R's. It keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Sad to say that a lot of animals are struggling to die due to pollution caused by improper waste management.
Wala akong gamit pa na.
There you go.
Kana sa tiyo, kanan.
Please Let's all say one of the greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. Let's go, Snow. There you go. And always remember, only if we understand can we care, and only if we care can we help, and only if we help shall they be saved. What's that? Right, Goldie? Snow's not doing it. There you go. See, if our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving this world because remember, this is the only home we got. Now let's represent to you the animals and trainers that made the show possible. We have Snow with trainer Adrian. We have Goldie with trainer Jennifer. And of course, we have Monty with trainer PJ. We have Mr. Erwin, our sound guy right over there. And along with our stops here in Cebu Ocean Park, it's me again, I'll be your host for the show. Thank you for watching and goodbye!